So this is our unit in the Turks and Caicos. We got upgraded. It's pretty cool. It includes an entire living area, a kitchen area, a couple bathrooms. We've got an unbelievable bedroom area and suite back here, but more importantly, we have our own pool and beach right off the unit. We got a little screen porch here, and this is the little sitting area out here. And we've got the beach out here, which is pretty cool. Just takes you right out to the beach. We have our own pool, our own chairs. This is the unit. Pretty nice. Definitely an upgrade. And out here is the beach.